So today we're working on these ramps for this trailer. We bought it used and someone needed this third ramp in the middle, so they added it. And then also on these ramps they made an extension. You can see there's a weld there. So the normal ramps come to right here. So there's probably about 2 feet of an extension on these ramps, which makes them go really high. It's actually 3 feet. And it is really heavy and it bounces a lot when there's no load on the trailer. So in order to fix that, we're going to grab the plasma cutter, chop it down a little bit. So what we're going to do to take off this middle ramp, they've just welded it in there and there. So our thought is maybe to chop right here so that it shortens the ramp, and then add the same channel and angle onto that.
Okay, so before we take this ramp off with the plasma cutter, we want to take the lights out of the back here because it'll just melt the rubber if any heat gets over to them. So we did that. We're going to pull these side ramps off as well because they're sitting right. Pivot pin is welded right close to it. Okay, so we got it all set up with a good ground on the side there. Gonna stand underneath it so when it cuts loose it'll fall in there and be supported. Okay, so after about 2 minutes, the whole thing is already cut off and done. A little bit of grinding to polish things up, but it came off nice and neat, no damage to the trailer. One little slip up there, and that's it. Another couple of minutes just to polish it up with the grinder. Pretty much can't even tell that it was there. Touched up with a coat of black paint and we're good. Okay, now we're just taking the plywood off the ramps. There we go. Hopefully that makes it a little bit lighter.